Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Samsung the Frame TV keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. The fastest and the easiest solution to this issue is switching off your TV by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, then unplugging your TV from the power source. Leave it unplugged for at least a couple of seconds, and then plug in the plug into the socket and then turn on your TV once again, and then check if the issue was resolved. And if it wasn't, then the second thing that you should try is restarting your Wi-Fi router. So just hold down the power button on your Wi-Fi router for a couple of seconds until it turns off, then wait for a minute and then turn it on again, and then wait until the connection is re-established with your TV. Also, if this doesn't solve the issue, then go to Settings on your TV, open All Settings menu, in All Settings, go to Connection, then External Device Manager, and disable AnyNet Plus feature, because this feature often causes problems for Samsung users. And in case this doesn't help you, go to your Wi-Fi tab, either in Quick Settings, or if you are in All Settings menu, then go to Connection, then the Network, then reset all networks by clicking Reset Network, and then confirming, and then you're gonna have to reconnect to your network by entering the Wi-Fi password once again to it, the security password once again to it. So select your network from the list, then enter the password using your remote control. You can use arrow keys to navigate and OK to select. Once you're ready, click Go right here. Give me a moment. Okay, and now let's reconnect to the network. Also check if your TV can connect to a separate network. If you don't have any other available Wi-Fi router, just enable portable hotspot on your smartphone and try connecting your TV to your portable hotspot. We actually have a video on how to do that. And check if your TV can connect to another network. If it can connect to another network, then the trouble is probably on your internet service provider side. So contact them and ask if there are some outages on their side, if they let you know about it, then of course you're gonna have to just wait until they fix the issue. Now, but if you think that it's your TV problem and it wasn't resolved until now, then the last thing is, first of all, go into support menu, software update, and updating your software by clicking update now. Then let your TV check for any available updates out there on the internet. Or if you cannot, if you cannot use the internet, then you're gonna have to use your USB flash drive with the updates that you're gonna have to find online for your TV. Now, so just find the update online and then transfer it to a USB flash drive and plug it into your OneConnect box, and then your TV will ask you during the software update if you want to search the USB flash drive for available updates. And you're gonna have to select yes, and then your TV will install the update from your USB flash drive. And as a last resort, you can also perform factory data reset and reset all data on your TV to the factory defaults. This will also disconnect you from your Samsung accounts, but you'll be able to reconnect to them once the factory data reset is complete. Yeah, after that your problem should should most definitely be resolved. And if factory reset operation still doesn't resolve your issue, then you're gonna have to contact Samsung customer support service and tell them about this problem. And if they they will either help you with troubleshooting this issue through going through some more advanced steps I maybe don't know about, or you'll just have to send your device to them for repair because maybe there is a network card hardware issue on your TV, or anything else that they're gonna have to check for. And so that's basically it. I hope that this video resolved your issue, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.